You can't see me, lol. Let me just spam this now. What is this block actually? I don't know what that block is actually. Lol. Let me put this now. Let me put this now. What is that? Spamming blocks all over the place. I have to spam some blocks over my thing also. Hey, I'm out of blocks. Lol. Bro, don't. Hey! Don't do that. I'm gonna spam this now. I'm spamming seeds. I'm gonna just put all my blocks in here. Even though all my things. Oh, I forgot under myself only. Just gonna put this block out here. I'll tell. How did you get trees? Lol. Okay, no, wait, I have to spam this thing. Yeah, I'm done. I put all my blocks into this. All blocks are gone. OMG! What is that? OMG! What is portal or something like that? To the end? Then we start recording in three. Oh, oh, it jumped up. Three, two, one. Hey guys, we don't have a video, so as you see that we are playing build a boat and a boat is here. I don't know where I am sitting right now actually. It's so messed up. At least I can see myself from some way. Like sitting out in here. And this is the boat that's gonna reach the end. This is surely the boat that's gonna reach the end. Can just pick that. Nope. So this person has done an AFK farm thing. How do you bridge? Okay. Does this actually work? If this actually works, I'm gonna be impressed. Like legit, I'm just gonna jump off from my boat and just go on his boat, on his bridge. That's a good AFK farm. What is that? Uh, I'm with my friend alone out here, so he just put that thing over there. Hey, we have to move. I cannot come out of my place only. It's like that. This guy out here. Okay, there's one person on our boat too. Okay. So, okay, he's trying to make that bridge now. So, okay, I'm just gonna like reset my character. Alone, reset your character. I claimed 16 gold. So yeah, the game just got an update of Christmas out here, as you can see. Like, I'm just gonna show you menu and winter. All these things are there. Then there is all these new quests, winter battle quest, and there are many more quests, like a lot many more. I have not completed many of them, so don't mind me. Okay, he bought a. How did he do that bridge? How did he actually do that bridge, man? I actually don't understand. So the best trick actually in this game, I'm gonna teach you guys the best trick in this game. The best trick in this game is just spam it. Just spam it. Just spam anything. Okay, I'm gonna just go on this tree and jump here. So see, I'm gonna be out here. I'm gonna sit out here. So let me remove my chair, the office chair. That looks good. Oops, I messed up. Okay, and okay. This way up here. Now here and oh man, I'm messing up. I'm messing up. I'm messing up. He's typing something now. Okay, here this way. Okay, I'm sitting. So I see this is the most blocks. Just spam it everywhere you think it's gonna be needed. So spam it everywhere. Then there is these many blocks out here. Just spam it anywhere that you think it's gonna be needed. Like I'm just spamming it anywhere. So then third most is this, I think so. I'm just gonna spam it here and then okay, I'm out of them. Then there is these blocks. It's okay whatever kind of blocks it is there, but then you have to spam it anywhere. Ooh, OMG, that's gonna be a lot of it. There I have like so many chests. Just spam chests if you want. These also like take a lot of area, so could spam some chests right there. Okay, spamming chests. Oh, OMG, that's a lot of it. That's a lot of chests, like legit a lot of chests. I'm just gonna spam these blocks over the chest and then these ones. So I don't think so I've covered from under it. So I'll just cover it from under it. So let me get some blocks. These ones, will these ones look good? Let me just cover it from this way too. Okay, no probs, no probs. I have these blocks too. Cool. I have to spam it. Under it. OMG. It's gonna be a lot. It is a tough job, but then it helps you a lot. You'll easily reach the end. Okay, this way. Just put these stars on top if you have any. Okay, he started the boat. He actually started the boat. Don't do all that. We don't have to turn anyway. Hey, don't do it there. Alone. Don't do it that way. Oh man, don't do it that way. Alone, don't do it that way. Yeah, just go like that. So this one is here. These cannons are so useful. They help us like shoot things. So like example, I just shot that. Now that stone that I shot will be removed. It's like that. But there is like a timer for the cannons too. So now, see the timer got over. So now I can shoot again. I just shot that thing there. See that? The blast thing came. And now these things are gonna be in the way. So I'm just gonna shoot this one. I shot one, so now it's good actually. Let me shoot that. Ooh, that was a close miss. That was a close one. So I have this one now. Let me just shoot this. Oops. Okay, this thing is now coming in between. That's gonna be a prob. Okay, he's typing something. Okay, and that way, this thing, and then this one's still there. This one's still there. The cannons also get destroyed some moment. Like, you cannot stop them always. So, like, use my trick and you'll be like so much more ahead than normal usual times. You'll earn much more. You can even reach the end, which is that place, if you just do spamming and all that. Let me hit this. Okay, our way is cleared because of that. All of our waste that went down and which was not stuck to any block. Like it is just like a waste. So it just went down. Okay. Okay, and just gonna. Do we need to blast that one? Yep. Now we do. We blasted that one. Then we need to blast this one, the blue one. Then that's why. Let the thing come and blast the blue one. Yes, this way was cleared. So if you don't have cannons, like break chest, like open some chests, you'll get a lot of stuff from the chests. Okay, why can't we move? Is it because of these things out here? Uh-oh, OMG. Oh, we don't want to go back. We don't want to go back. Can we hit these things? No. Okay, I understand because he alone had like put that thing on it. So it was not working. Oopsie. This one there, this one break, broke. I alone, don't alone, don't. Alone. Don't put it like that. We have to reach the end. That will happen if you don't like do it properly. OMG, it's on the top of there. Don't put it there. Don't put it there. Our boat is being damaged. Don't put it there. Okay. Hey, alone. Don't do that. OMG. OMG. That's so much. That's so much destructive. OMG. OMG. That's so much. That's legit so much. How is that possible actually? Yeah, now it's proper. Now it's proper. So now we don't want to mess it up. So yeah, hit this thing. Oops, I hit the wrong one. You saw that? I blasted two of them right there. It's okay if the your boat hits some of it, but not a lot. If it's a lot, then it's gonna be a problem. So let's see how we do it. Yeah. So in this one, there is like randomly there is like the fountain kind of thing pops up, and then you just have to move. Anything can happen to you. That's what is the thing in this. So guys, there was a fountain. Now it's proper. But both of our cannons are gone now. OMG, lol, lol, lol. So the fountains are only on these things. I just hope there's no other fountain like just popping up, because I don't want to turn back down. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. No other fountain at least. I can see, I can tell. So now it's the chocolate one, and in this one, you can use the cannon still. We use that cannon out there. I still have a cannon out here. Oh lol, Alone got off his seat actually. Ooh, okay, our ship is being wrecked, but we are so close to the end. If you follow my thing, OMG. No, our ship wrecked and I just died right there. So that way I claimed 64 of it. That's good. And all of this. Treasure Master Award. Wow, thank you. So is Alone alive yet? Yep, I died. So if you follow my trick, you can at least reach so long, and that was it. So yep, there's a winter update. As I told in the start, the snow falling and trees have become white, like there's snow on them, and there are even new houses that you can see there on out here too. So guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here and see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.